Okay everyone, let's check is it hard or not to change the BMS for the Makita battery. You can see the lights here is blinking. And okay, now white plastic here, so we will just unscrew the screws. Okay, what we can see here, of course, the dust and the dirt. We'll brush it out. I have the spring here. Okay, we will start from unscrewing the screws here. Have two small screws. Okay, now we lift the plastic piece here. Remove the button, and we need to desolder the terminal contacts. Okay, now I will heat up the biggest nickel strip. Hi Laurinaită. Okay. Okay, the old BMS is removed. Now we need to check if we can easily fit the new BMS here. And I know that this plastic piece will not let you do that. Okay, now we have the controller here. Okay, why I cannot fit this one in? It's an old soldering. Okay, we can see the main problem of the 6-amp batteries. So this one is just broken, so we will fix that a little bit later. Now we need to put the BMS in place, and when putting it we need to check if this one, and this one is connected, this one is broken. Normally it's up, so now I will tighten the BMS. Okay, for this one now I will put the solder here on the terminal and here. Normally I'm repairing this one with a solder wick. I'm just getting it here. We'll hold it like that. Now I will cut it, and of course solder better to the both sides. Let it cool a little bit and we can check if it holds. Yeah, it holds. We can check what we have on the battery. We have 3 lights here, so it's not fully charged. What we can do here now is just assemble the battery. Okay, looks not bad, and yeah, press it. Now we need to check if we have the button working correctly, because sometimes it's always press it on, and yeah, now I can turn it on and it turns off, so that's good. Let's close the battery. Now we can see that when I tighten the screw, the button started to work, so we need to check it again. Now you can see it's working and it must shoot down. Yeah, that's good. So this one is good. And let's test the battery itself. Oh, the battery is working. That's good for us, or for me, and that's all. We have replaced the BMS for the Makita battery.